India set for tightrope walk as WHO Executive Board head. India to become the chairperson of the World Health Organization Executive Board amid the global coronavirus crisis. Let's talk that why this topic is important. This topic is important in as a international relations because recently the whole world is completely facing the crisis, this COVID-19 crisis. Okay, Uh, lakhs of people are dying because of this dangerous disease. Now earlier India said, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that there is a need to reform in World Health Organizations. India advocates the reforms in WHO, the accountability of WHO. India stand for their its statement, but it's now a global issue. So talk about China, because why this topic is important as a internationally. If we talk about China, China has a border issue with Japan, border issue with Russia. China has a issue with Malaysia, Taiwan, Vietnam, Brunei in South China Sea. China has a border issue with India also. Or China has a problem with Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Uyghur Muslims also. Okay. So, what China wants to prove? China wants to prove that the whole planet is lying, and China is the only country who is innocent and honest. India said COVID-19. Okay, no problem. Everyone talking about coronavirus. But if you ask the seventh year old child, he will teach you about this COVID-19. The children will tell you that it is a Chinese virus because it born in China. Everyone knows that it is spread from Wuhan city, China. So what's the problem with China? Why is try to line the whole world? Why is not accepting this that this coronavirus is spreading from Wuhan, China? Now, if we talk about United States, America, President Trump so many times also in his press conference clearly indicate that this is a Chinese virus. Of course, this is a Chinese virus. If we teach, learn, or read the ancient times of virus, or the medieval times of virus, or the modern times of virus, or the past history of these type of virus, those named where these virus originated. Some virus named from they originated. So why not this virus named the Chinese virus? Now, if we talk about WHO Executive Board, the India is chairman. The World Health Assembly, the decision-making body of the World Health Organization, is set for a crucial virtual meeting next week from May 18. The meeting assumes a significance in the backdrop of the COVID-19 pandemic and the push from the United States to investigate the World Health Organization for its failure to warn the world in the time and showing a dangerous bias towards the China. United States also stopped the fund to the WHO because he believed, the America believed that the World Health Organization for its failure to warn the world in the time and showing a dangerous bias towards the China. Okay, so the what will be the role of India in WHO? It will be very interesting to see in next upcoming days because a position there is a relation with America and the other position that the relation with China of India and the actual position of the COVID-19. India believe that what is the accountability? Where is the accountability? So it will be very interesting to see what will happen in next days. Significantly, India will be taking over the chair of the World Health Organization Executive Board soon. The 73rd World Health Assembly virtual meeting will take place from May 18-19. The World Health Assembly is held annually in Geneva, Switzerland. The main function are to determine the policies of the WHO, appoint the Director General, supervise financial policies and review and approve the proposed program budget. It is very interesting to see because United States, USA, UK, Germany, France, Japan also advocating to the role of Taiwan. They want to see the Taiwan as a observer. Do you know the meaning of that? If Taiwan is allowed by WHO, if WHO allowed the Taiwan as a observer, it means Taiwan is a separate country. But now Taiwan is occupied by China as per PRC. So it will be very interesting and maybe there may be conflict, but it will not go so easy. That's why it is very important. Some countries advocate the India to be the next chairperson of WHO because of the issues of China. Because China has a think that he is very innocent in every matter. Maybe talk about South China or Taiwan, Vietnam issues, Hong Kong issues. That's why everyone is talking about this topic. Couple of days ago, the U.S. Secretary U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo held a video conference with 6 countries of 7 foreign ministers on this COVID-19 issues. But in that video conference, Russia and China pointed out towards the USA to bullying the China or about the fake propaganda of America. But what about the fake propaganda? What is the fake propaganda? China is lying, everybody knows that. But what is the actual truth? It will be publicized in maybe hopefully in next couple of days or couple of weeks because there is an election in America. So President Trump can get the benefit of this. Some people might think so, but lakhs of people died in America. It is also the reason that America can take the action against the China on this COVID-19. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Good luck. Stay safe. Stay at home. Thank you.